Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a directory mobile app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, JotForm. JotForm is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes, such as collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. JotForm offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to JotForm. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your JotForm account. Now, to build a directory mobile app using JotForm, click on the Create Form button located either at the center or top left side of the dashboard. This will present you with 4 options: Start from Scratch, Use Template, Import Form, and Create Signable Document. If you prefer to start from scratch, click on the Start from Scratch option. This will take you to another window where you can choose the layout of the form. Select the Card Form option and you will be directed to the editor to start designing the form. The next step is to add elements to the form. To do this, navigate to the top left side and click on the Add Form Element button. This will open the left sidebar where you can select the desired element to add to the form. For example, if you want to add a yes/no question element, scroll down and click on the Yes/No question option. Similarly, click on the Single Choice option to add it to the form. Once you have added these elements, you can customize the questions and answer options for each element. Users will be able to select either yes or no for the yes/no question and choose a single choice from the provided options for the single choice question. Next, click on the Settings section. From there, select the Conditions option in the left menu. Choose the Change Thank You Page option among the different options to change the thank you page based on the specific answers. To do this, in the drop-down menu next to If, select the Type a Question option. In the State drop-down menu, choose the Is Equal To option. Then in the Value drop-down menu, select the No option. Finally, in the Do drop-down menu, select the Display a Custom Message on Submission option. Click on the Save option to save the changes. Now, navigate to the top left side and click on the Form Builder option. From there, select the App Builder option. Your form will now be converted into a mobile app. To share or embed the app, click on the Publish section. This will take you to the Publish section where you can copy the link to the app by clicking on the Copy Link option. Alternatively, you can choose to open the app in a new tab by selecting the Open in New Tab option, allowing you to view it from the user's perspective. Additionally, you can generate and download a QR code for the app. By sharing this QR code, users can scan it with their mobile devices to install the app for easy access. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my JotForm tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.